welcome to the last game of week one, of the first ever week one of Indoor Baseball League. First time watching, here are the rules. First schedules. The rivals must play each other twice in a 12-game schedule. They play each other in week 1 and week 12. So we have Odessa Freedom versus the Paso Duststorms. El Paso is favored to win this game. El Paso is favored to win this game 7-2, but let's see the results. We are going down to first overall pick in the indoor baseball draft, Tom Jason, and asking him how he will make them win.
So who am I?
Odessa?
Odessa.
Why? Put some. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, let's go.
You also can't jump on the. And you can't jump on the.
Am I batting first?
I am.
Okay.
And we have pre-game interviews. Let's go down to Tom Jason and see how he feels about trying to win. Pick her up, Dad. Just pick her up.
Go finish team first. Okay. Can I
And
spawn further? No, you can't spawn.
And first, let's go to Tom Jason and ask him how he's going to impact this game. Well, I'm going to show him they didn't pick me first overall out of all of these 72 players in this league for no reason. Going to throw some heat, check them out, make that prediction for the game right. Except it's going to be 7-0, not 7-2. All of those fronts are going to be mine and our team. And Odessa's team captain, Kern Patacola. Kern Patacola. How are you going to help your team win today?
I'm gonna throw some heat, great defense.
From
third base to first when they hit it there, and I'm gonna smack some homies. Smack some homies. I'm a little cocky, but that's just my personality.
We're ready to play ball, so
Let's go.
okay. First batting for El Paso is Sam Lay, and Odessa Freedom's pitcher today, Kason Leo. Dad, electronics is not a Mac walk. Electronics, betting on your team is not a Mac walk.
Straight one. Kidding. I don't want to pull a Sorsby. Texas Tech new quarterback that got kicked out of college football for betting.
Why?
When you play the sport, you're not allowed to bet on sports, on college football. He was.
Wait, when did that happen?
He just got kicked out now, but he was doing it like the whole time at Indiana and Cincinnati. Check two.
Those will always get those. Those will get those suckers. Let's see if you can actually see. I'm gonna see if you can have a good view real quick. It's hard to climb on a windowsill. Dad, you need to come closer. Yep, you can see his legs, so that's good enough. Place the ball.
For strike three. Strike three! No! Hey, I'm not. Hey.
Ball. It's a ball.
No.
It's a ball. 1, 2 count.
Strike three!
There it is, though.
No. 1 out.
It didn't?
No. 1 out.
It didn't hit the
Yes, it
pillow?
did. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Second batter up. When does the main number 1 pick guy bat?
4 batters away.
Okay.
Now batting Joe Teagan.
Straight one. Told you, this Odessa pitcher might be the best in the country.
You don't even know
In the
his
state.
name. What's his name?
Pitching fast.
Kason Leo.
Strike two. He is throwing heaters. Foul ball.
Foul ball.
Trick 3, got 2 strikeouts. He is absolutely dealing. Is he the Texas softball pitcher or what? Strike with the slacker. Strike 2.
And betting now. And Poe Peeper is betting right now.
0-2 count. Are you kidding me? Here comes the right down the middle heat. Oh, almost home run, but fouled again. 2 times they've almost hit it to get a little bit down the third base line. This guy.
Also, you can also
What's my pitcher's name?
Casing only for his 50th.
Casey.
Also, you cannot bunt. You cannot foul out on a bunt on strike three.
Here goes Kaysen.
Safe.
No! Out!
Safe.
Ty goes to the runner. He's safe. There goes the no-hitter.
Wait,
but still
ties
shut.
go for runners.
Mhm.
Wait, now betting is Axe Torn, best power hitter in the league, possibly.
Strike 1. He does a lot of strikeouts, but he does a lot of home runs. He's feast or famine.
He's in the pitcher.
Hmm?
He is in the pitcher.
Feast or famine. Which means like all good or all bad. Not too much in the middle. Strike 2. Foul ball.
Would have been a ball too. That's weird.
Stay alive, stay alive.
Home run.
Oh my goodness! There was the beast! 2-run shot.
2-run homer
In case him
by Rex Polo, the seeker of the ball.
in case him was 1 strike away from getting out of the inning with no runs and instead give up.
And he hides that power behind his back. Get it like you don't say Polo and
Now who's the number 1 pickup?
Tom Jason. How about him? He isn't that much of a power guy, but he doesn't have speed.
And he gets a base hit on his first swing of the season. As to be expected.
Wait, batting now? Con Polotel. How do you say this? Con Polotelis. Oh, forgot he's a lefty. Lefty righty. He's a left-handed fielder.
Swing at a bad pitch.
Wasn't bad.
Yeah, he swung. Got him chasing.
Are you a lefty or a righty first?
2-0 righty.
You're a righty first?
Yeah.
And pitching. Now, the number 1 overall pick, Tom Jason. Betting is, first is Bobby Coquet.
Let's see if this pitcher is worth the number 1 overall pick. Can he? Pretty sure out to do. Dre got him swinging on the first one. Back up a little bit.
That's around. And he has a 101 mile per hour pitch, folks.
This guy
Pretend.
is a laser of no nerve. Strike 2. They're chasing his wild heat. Kick them off. Strike 3.
That's what I did to Campbell. He laid down a bunt in the video game and he just went out. And then I threw it there since I knew he was doing that. So it would miss because the bat didn't extend.
Strike 1. Strike 2. Strike 3. Got him swinging on the high stuff. 2 outs already for Tom Jason. Is this guy going to win the Cy Young Award for best pitcher in the league?
Well, there, ever 72 people can possibly win Rookie of the Year. Because all of them are rookies.
Okay. True. Strike 1. Way back. He's going to throw from behind it. scoot up to pitch, I could hit you.
That's right.
Yeah, scoot it back further. Strike two, right on the inside corner. He's painting the edges. The lefty now.
He hasn't even thrown a ball yet.
Got him, swinging 3 strikeouts for Tom Jason in the first. And Kaysen has his work cut out for him on the other side. He cannot allow another run if he wants the team to have a chance.
And nobody, Simley, the power kid.
Strike one.
That has some crazy speed for some reason.
Winning clean for the fences. Strike two, cut him again.
Ball. My hand more, buddy.
Oh, he nails it. Single.
Sam Lee is one of those like 8 or 9 speed batters not maxed out.
Oh, he dropped it. He almost got it second. First and second.
Now batting Poe Peeper. Joe Teagan with that great hit. He's not as a speed guy.
Strike.
He's not the expert at this, but not the worst. Mine did. Fair. Safe. You never had full control. You never had full.
You're right. Loaded bases, no outs.
And now the hero, Rex Polo. Already had a home run. Already has a home run today.
Strike one. Oh my goodness! Absolutely launched, ladies and gentlemen, a grand slam.
At the top of the
El Paso
Oh, got it.
jumps out to a 6-0 lead.
Oh,
The fans are going crazy, knocking down the fence.
boy, that was wild. Rex Polo might win the MVP. But they're up. Right to it as you fix the thing. Hey, Carter, do you want to run bases? Base runner, Carter done. Rex Polo, I can't believe it. He's now in the top 5 for
I'm gonna wash my hands.
alongside Draco Allen.
I'm gonna wash my hands. My
Okay.
hands are
Draco Allen, Kanky,
Ready?
Brady Ace,
Still no
and
outs.
Marco T.
Still no outs, and they already have
And a total random order.
4 of the 5 allowed runs this inning.
No, I mean Zach order, not Brady Ace. And that is technically the order, so. But Draco Allen had.
One more run, and they hit the max for the inning. Strike two, foul.
Tom Jason. Not going
Throwing the curveball. Oh my goodness! He does it! 5 batters up, 5 runs down, max inning. El Paso!
7-0.
Mm-hmm.
Now you need to score 2 runs to make that somebody score true.
Tom Jason's too good. Strike one. Can he just not strike out for once?
Wait, am I on a base?
Not yet. I get a hit.
Where is the ball?
Oh, there you go. See a little white ball in the record? Go under there?
Oh, yeah.
Is it way in there?
Yeah. I got it.
Thanks.
Dad, I didn't see the white ball because I was
He hasn't
washing
even
my
thrown a
hands.
ball. Tom Jason is probably gonna win. Tom Jason might put El Paso in the championship if he keeps doing this stuff. Especially if he does it to Dallas. Dallas. San Antonio. Fort Worth even. Houston. Oh, Brownsville. Boy, they beat Houston, who was supposed to be one of the best.
Right.
And it's still almost anyone's game. So that's the hitter. This is the third, right?
No, 4th. Pope Pepper. Peeper.
Wait, 4th? No, it's the bottom of the third.
Oh, wait. Oh, the inning? Yeah, I think I'm the batter.
Oh.
Or actually, I think I'm Sam Way.
No, that's me. So, okay, let's see. This is third inning. Bottom of the third.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So,
Guys, can you be quiet so I can do some shopping stuff?
Okay,
You're on Bobby? You're on Bobby Cookie.
Okay, Bobby KK. Trying to get the first hit of the game on Jason.
Hasn't allowed a hit or a ball. Even a foul ball.
Finally a hit!
Mommy. You have touched?
Oh my gosh!
Gets out!
What a play by
I don't
Jason
know if you
Steve!
saw that, but his foot was this far.
So close.
He needs still on the base.
Jason Steve
Now,
going for the no-hitter still. In the perfect game. He hasn't even walked anyone.
or even thrown a ball.
Strike one. Strike two. He can't even bunt properly. God, I'm swinging. Strike three. One more out for the perfect game. Here's the lefty.
Who's that?
Kaysen, Leo.
The pitcher, who totally pitches right.
Strike one. The pitcher trying to get the only hit. Can Kaysen do it? Strike two.
This game will be the first ever no balls or hits allowed in history and might stand for hundreds of years.
What? It all comes out of this pitch.
God, I'm swinging. Jason is a legend.
And he wasn't drafted number 1 overall for nothing. And let's go to post-game interviews. First, we will go to Odessa and speak how they will improve after their horrible fail. Boy, y'all were terrible out there. How would y'all be worse on the court?
Doesn't feel good to lose to a rival like this, but we know we'll have face easier pitchers this year than Jason. We'll keep practicing hard and get better. To our fans, we're sorry for losing the first battle of the West. We will come back stronger. Watch out.
And now we're going to Tom Jason and Rex Polo, who are being interviewed on their great hits and on their great no-hitter.
Tom, we got to start with you. The first perfect game ever in the history of the Indoor Baseball League. How does it feel?
Well, only for a season. Have to keep working harder and harder. It can be broken 9 years, 10 years. Keep working out till I have to retire.
It's a great mindset. Now let's go to your teammate here because you didn't allow any runs, but they were hitting the ball like crazy. How did you help out your pitcher tonight?
Well, knew I couldn't allow that third out and that bases loaded, so just felt the pressure, swung the bat, and did what I had to do.
Well, great job. Good luck on the rest of the season.
Thank you. And that's game. Come back next week, where we will have way more games than just one being posted around 5 days or something. I don't know. Just ignore that. I don't know when it's going to happen, but new game soon.